Wow, we're in the presence of another pearler. Have a look at it. A 1970 HG GTS 186S Monaro, valued at over $200,000. Have a look at it. It's painted in Indy Orange. It's got all the original hubcaps on this thing. It's got the original decals on the back, the Monaro badge. It's a coupe. It is sick. Well, here we are sitting in the interior in this GTS Monaro. Have a look at it. It's a black sport cabinet, all done out. It's got new carpets. It's got 4 on the floor, as they did have. It's got a beautiful GTS dash with a bit of wood grain surfacing on it. It's got the original GTS decals on the dash cover there. It's got an original GTS wheel. It is a sick car. It is beautiful. Have a go at the power plant on this. It's a 186 cubic inch, just like they were back in the 70s. It's got the original air cleaner on it. It is a sick motor vehicle. Travel back down memory lane to the 70s. Get a package. Paddy here from 𝗚𝗏𝘁. We proudly support veterans.